Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. If somebody's asking how to make this shape, I'm going to just delete this one. This is the one they want. They want it 5.75 long and 0.75 wide. There's not a tool in Corel that'll do this. And with our ratio lock, we can make it 5.75 by 0.75. And you can round the corners, you can scallop the corners, and we'll do like that, but it doesn't do that. And you can chamfer the corners, but it doesn't do that. But you can do this very easily. Hit P, put it in the center of the page. It's 3/4 of an inch big, so we're going to make a locker ratio, and we're going to make a 0.5 circle. We're going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. We're going to Control D and make a duplicate, and we're going to start moving and then hold down the control button, and you'll see it goes to the midpoint. Control D. Well, I didn't have to Control D because I already had a copy to the midpoint. We'll just delete that one. Take your virtual segment delete key and delete that. Always take your smart fill tool and fill it in, and then you have that shape and that cut pattern. Now it's longer than 5.75, and I'm afraid if we squish it to 5.75, it won't really be round. So there's another way to do that, and that's the main problem they were having. Whoop, had my ratio on a lot. And you can see what it did to the corners. It's just not, it's pretty close, but it's not round anymore because we squished it. So we started off at, let's back up here completely. We started off, well, let me completely back up till we just have our box. We started off at 5.75. Okay, we're going to still keep our circles. Let's just move them out of the way for a second. And if this is a 1/2 inch, it's a 1/4 inch on both sides. So we need to make this 5.25. Then when we add this, hit P, put it in the center, bring that over there to the midpoint, take this other one, bring it over to the midpoint. You don't really have to hold down the control button. Take these two and slice them apart, and now if you look, we have 5.75. Now, I still fill it in with a smart fill tool because that completes the joint and makes it where it's all one piece, because here we have broken pieces. Anyway, I hope that answers their question. Thank you for watching.